Hi there, my name is Joseph. I'm a sales representative here at Nordic Windows and Doors. My job is, when I come to your home, is to take measurements of your current project. We sit down and we talk about your future products, whether it be windows, patio doors, front doors. It could go anywhere even to half moons and ellipse windows. After that, I will provide you with a quote on the spot and make sure you have all the information to make a purchase. I was actually born and raised in Mississauga, but moved to Hamilton. I actually lived in St. Catharines as well. So naturally my area would be from Hamilton, pretty much the border. When I was younger, I actually wanted to be an airline pilot, but then I realized that the food kind of sucked. Everyone just had bad things to say about airplane food. I actually became a child and youth worker for the hospital system and the school board. And then here I am in sales and doing what I love. Basically all my free time goes to family, friends. I have two awesome little nephews and I have a crazy spoiled bulldog. But whenever I get home, she's on her back looking for those belly rubs, and you can't do nothing about it. You're there, you're stuck, you're there. The dog owns you. Honestly, the best thing about working with Nordic is that it actually does feel like a family atmosphere. We all work together as a team. Even though there's many different sales reps, we all work collaboratively. We're always in constant contact to make sure everything runs smoothly from the day of sale to the day of installation.